Hey y'all, hey, I'm getting ready to fry some chicken, but first I'm going to marinate it for an hour or so. And this is my chicken, and I have different spices on it, and these are my spices that I have mixed in here. I have two bean eggs, and I'm going to pour in the chicken, and a block of cream cheese, and I'm going to mix all this up. And I'll just tell you some of the seasonings that I've put on the chicken and that I have mixed here in this little dispenser. I have salt, white pepper, oregano, some Paul Prudhomme's Poultry Magic, some onion powder, roasted garlic powder, and maybe a few other seasonings, and I've mixed them all up here. And I'm going to put this, I have two eggs because I have quite a few pieces of chicken. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to put the cream cheese in and mix it all up. Then I'll come back and show you what I have to marinate in just a few. Okay, guys, here is the chicken, and I've mixed the egg and the cream cheese and all of the seasonings, and I'm going to let it marinate in the fridge for a little while, and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to mix my batter, the flour mixed with oregano, turmeric, onion powder, roasted garlic powder, and I'll come back when it's ready to be fried. And I'll talk to you soon.